Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Kevin Ray with KevinRay5280.com, and we are out on Smoky Hill Road checking out some of the neighborhoods you find out here. So we're on the very extreme southeast of Smoky Hill Road, right about Aurora Reservoir. We are going to check out Southshore. You can see that in front of us here. So this is brand new neighborhood. They are furiously building, and you can see all the activity. Got the flags flying. We've got builders hard at work as we speak. We've got Richmond Homes, Lake House, Century Communities. I'm gonna go in here, gonna let these girls come by. Try not to kill anybody. Really don't want to hurt them that badly either. So all right, so this is the Hill District, it says, in Southshore community. Got Aurora Reservoir just about a mile or so over my left hand shoulder, just out of camera. Actually, you can't really even see it here, but we've got some homes that are finished up here over on the left, coming up to some on the right. Yeah, fairly attractive homes. They're not all terribly cookie cutter, but I'm gonna turn a little air on here. I hate to have the camera seize up on us. So you see there's still some available lots out here, so still would be able to have something built to suit. Homes in this area are right around, well, from about $400,000 to $600,000. I'd say the average is going to be right around $500,000. I really like this area. My folks live out here, kind of in one of the neighborhoods right here around Aurora Reservoir, so very similar to this, and I really do like it. The homes are built, nice quality, relatively attractive. We're going to go down, we'll take a left here. All right, we're back, actually totally spaced out this part of it. So we're coming back into Southshore, and this is the kind of the original area of the Southshore neighborhoods. So we're right a southern shore of Aurora Reservoir, and you can see some a bit more established, but they're still it's still only a few years old. They're still building on the left and right up here, but really cool. This kind of gives you an idea of the benefit of living right at the reservoir. You'll see a little recreation pond there. You can see a little bit over here on the left. That is the actual reservoir ground, the part of the state park. Here's the backs of some of the houses, so you can see quite substantial, massive homes. And we're going to take a turn right up here. So the homes in this part, right along the reservoir, they're going to start in the mid 600s and go up into the $700,000 and $800,000 range. Over here we've got, this is the lake house. Got a lady left her baby on the wrong side of the street, but whatever. So here we're coming up where you can see, I'm going to pull over here to the wrong side of the road, so you can see the reservoir out here. So that's Aurora Reservoir. So these homes back right up to the reservoir ground, and you can see, probably see the little path down there, a paved path for you see bikes, you see joggers, you see all kinds of people out there walking, carrying on. So don't know if you can tell how big the reservoir is, but pretty good sized reservoir. Does have a really nice beach and boat ramp, so there is motorized boating allowed on the lake there. So really cool spot up here, and the homes are just gorgeous in my opinion. So nice stonework, brickwork. Some of these, I like these on the left side of the road, so hopefully you can see them a little bit. So kind of a Cape Cod kind of a feel to some of these, but like this one here. So anyways, yeah, I can't say enough about it. I'm kind of fumbling with the words here, but it is a beautiful beautiful area. Gorgeous homes up here, and then who doesn't like living right there at the lake? And you can see we're coming up, got the model home sales center here, and then a whole lot of new building going on up here. So there are tons of homes to be had. I'm not going to go much further because I know I'm going to end up with a nail in my brand new tires. So thanks a bunch. I appreciate you hanging in there. This is South Shore, and this is the Vista Point area. Toll Brothers is the builder, looks like, up here. Home sites available. So anyways, thanks for watching. Again, this is Kevin Ray with KevinRay5280.com, and I tell you what, I'll drive back by these homes, see if we can get a better look at them with the camera coming on the other direction. So hopefully the glare is not too bad from the sun. We're kind of pointing into it, but again, thank you guys very much. This we're out on. This is at the very southeast end of Smoky Hill Road, right at Aurora Reservoir, and this is the South Shore neighborhood. I know I've said that about 42 times in this video. Thanks for putting up with it. All right, we'll see you another time, another place.